Hello and welcome to this live. How are you all doing? We're showcasing some beautiful fabrics to you. So, a lot of buzz, a lot of fun, excitement, and yes, we are back with a live. We are at a studio. So, we're so happy to be back and so happy to be in Punjab all last week. We were all there running around, traveling. It was a lot of fun. So, thank you for everyone who made it. It was so good. From such far and wide, traveling and making it to there. Like my big love and big regards and big thanks to all of you. Okay, now we're getting started. Remember that yesterday we did showcase to you some beautiful colors in Chinia silk. Okay, so Chinia silk is such a fantastic fabric to be wearing all season. Okay, and especially if you're going to be in summers, you want something light, but I understand the need for it to have some sheen, to have that softness. It's all going to be there when you're going to be going for Chinia silk. Okay, so I did a very short video and showed you lots of looks in that. Few, not too many, but just a few dyeable dupattas, dyeable chinia. कोई भी ऑप्शन ले, किसी को भी किसी कलर में डाल कराएं. Okay, now the next attire that I'm wearing, it's a pure georgette. It's more like a cord. Okay, it's just like a very self-detailed georgette fabric. Okay, on a separate note, like this fabric worn like this as a cord, it's fantastic. Pure georgette, soft detailing, looks absolutely amazing, feels really good. So great fabric for summer styling. So that's one. Okay, now I've also worn this very lovely dupatta. This dupatta is a tussar dupatta. It's a fantastic burnt orange, and I'm going to kind of come out and show it to you right here. Let's show it to you. It's a beautiful color. Now with this, you could be wearing georgette, which I know many of you find more versatile. So yes, you could be wearing georgette. You could also be wearing munga with it. Regardless of which fabric you wear, जो इसकी beauty है, it's absolutely about the dupatta, soft, flowy, good lengths, all tassel done. It's a hit all season. Okay, so that's one color, one beautiful color for you in this burnt orange. Now, one piece that's been doing absolutely amazing, thanks to all of you, is our organza suit, the signature red, the deep red color. Okay, so much so that it's all on pre-order. We have a list. If you want to put your name on it, you should. The 3-piece set for 44,800. If you've forgotten which one I'm talking about, I'll show it to you like this. I want to show you a new color of new Meena in it, and it is so fantastic. Okay, there you go. It's absolutely amazing. This suit set, you've seen me wear it in red, of course, and it's a very deep red. Okay, that's our signature color, but we're just introducing this very beautiful color. This is organza Kora silk, as many of you know it, woven with Meena. It's absolutely brilliant. Look at the color, but jo iski sundarta, the full completeness, what increases it is that we've done a bottom. Now the bottom we have very smartly not done organza. So this is pure Kora, the kurta and the dupatta. And this with the border we have done a cotton jacquard, like it's a heavy weave. So it's really, you don't even need a lining if you don't want. And we've given the border. So look at the beauty. It looks amazing. Summer evenings, summer functions and parties, you want to wear something really nice, very stylish. This is a beautiful look. Okay, so these are of course ready to be shipped out. If you're in wait for the red one, the signature color, yes, that's on pre-order. But pre-order ka ek hi funda hai, that you need to kind of pay a token and get on the list, so that as the pieces come, you will get it. But kai baar ye hota hai ki tell us when you have in stock. Okay, we can't possibly kind of have a control on that, in terms of we can't manage your name. So the only way is you do a minimal token, even 200,000, 500, 3,000, and then once we have your name on the list, then it just comes to you. जब वो बनते जाएंगे piece तो आपके पास आते जाएंगे. Okay, now what's very beautiful is also, yes, so today we're doing the magic of black and white. ये दोनों ही color ready to ship out हैं आज. Only color which is on pre-order is the one that I wore few days back. Okay, and this is absolutely lovely. Look at that. अच्छा, जो डर है आपका और सभी का कि कोरा कैसा रहेगा, now that's the bottom. Just look at the beauty of it. It's so amazing. This is a 3-piece suit set. कुर्ता इसमें 3 मीटर है and it looks very nice. अच्छा, जो ये डर था सबका, कि how do we manage organza, is it going to be fluffy? थोड़ा देखिए, character of the fabric is meant to be this way, but we've done all of the मीना work, and जब प्योर कोरा पहनते हैं इतना सॉफ्ट होता है that it kind of really goes close to your body. but अगर ये जो fluff है basically ये नहीं रहा तो फिर मजा ही क्या है कोरा पहनने का, right? So that's the whole joy. The kurta, you do a straight kurta, not too fitted. It never looks good fitted organza kurta. So just do a straight kurta and see the elegance. It will look so nice because of the weight of the weaving. It just falls straight. Very, very nice. Okay. So that was this. ये एक हमारा नया collection रहा है, and the 2 new colors. That's what we wanted to show to you. From that, we are going to go to a suit set under 25. Okay, which is doing so good as a 3-piece set. Okay. And doing extremely well. It comes with a plain chanderi bottom, just beautiful colors. Okay, so and I'm going to show you some colors. इसके दिखा दें हम जो अलग-अलग colors हैं, and I think under 25 it's a great option to be wearing. Look at that. You know, I love this. I love the fact that it's got zari, it's got weave, and it's got, you know, this lightness of a look. And pretty formal if you ask me. Okay, and I'm going to show you the colors to it. In sabhi ke bottoms ready hain. It's a no tassel look. If you want the tassels, we will add it. Okay, I'll show you now how the bottom is going to be. So that's the kurta, that's the dupatta, lightweight with that zari, because you need that zari for it to have that beauty, right? And summer formals, summer weddings, summer functions, these are all your great pieces, especially for everybody going for destination weddings. You know, like, you know, you're traveling, you're moving around, or the pre-festivities. These are great pieces. Now look at that. That's the bottom with it. You can skip the lining. I always say use lining. It just lasts you longer. And इसी के मैं दूसरे colors भी दिखा रही हूँ आपको. So you can then pick up, like, look at that. I love the pinks. मैं थोड़ी partial हूँ summers में especially. But honestly, it's a tough pick. Because you know, each one has its own charm. Look at that, so fresh. And I have 2 more colors which I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to get into silk fabric. Okay, now it's so good, you know, that we are able to travel as Neve. You know, for me it is such a great experience, for my team to be able to meet you, to be able to hear you, to be able to get your feedbacks, you know, feedbacks on, you know, what fabric works. Acha, even about the patterns of a city, how you dress up, how you move around. It's amazing. Okay, I mean, yes, I do travel a lot, but when we do travel as a team for our shows, it's a very different experience. And I can so clearly say each city has been so unique on how you perceive things, you know, and how you kind of understand what we are doing. एक ये जो क्वेश्चन है, and I want to really address it. I know that there are many of you seasoned Neve Circle members जिनको मुझे कुछ भी बताने की जरूरत नहीं है on how to get these beautiful pieces. But I realize that आप में से, I mean, I think इतने of course we have lot of views on our lives, and इतने लोग देखते हैं, join करते हैं. But ये जो एक question है कि हम ऑर्डर कैसे करें, आज भी रेलेवेंट है. You know, after all that we've been doing, because I say that because I've done probably 500-600 lives so far in the last 5-6 years. Okay, so massive number. But ये एक जो question है, and it's very, very common. I love this peach. Look at that. It's got this meena also, very pretty. Okay, from this we are going to go to silk fabrics. Now, as I was saying, that आप join करते हैं, आप सोचते हैं कि पहली बात तो ये स्टिच्ड है क्या अनस्टिच्ड है, तो ये सब ही अनस्टिच्ड है. सिर्फ दुपट्टे हैं, सूट सेट्स हैं. सूट सेट्स मतलब उनका अनस्टिच सेट है, और फैब्रिक्स हैं जिनको आप मीटर से खरीद सकते हैं. प्लेन फैब्रिक हम सभी के साथ दे सकते हैं, हमारे पास बहुत सारी वैरायटी है. अच्छा, देन यू सी दिस लाइव. नाउ यू सी दिस ब्यूटिफुल पीस ऑफ अ 2-tone कलर. यू लव द कलर. अब आप एक तो हिचक हटा दें कि आपको सिर्फ अगर आना है और पूछना है वेदर इट्स द प्राइस और द डिटेल्स, और आप सोच रहे हैं कि अरे मैं शायद खरीदूं शायद नहीं खरीदूं, तो मैं जाऊं क्या व्हाट्सएप पे. हमारे पास दिन में हजारों मैसेजेस आते हैं, एंड हम बहुत खुश हैं कि आप आके हमें पूछें कि हम आपको क्या दिखा रहे हैं. यू नो, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वी डू. वाई अच्छा, जो वाई है वो तो हम लाइव में बताते ही हैं ये क्या चीज है। ये प्योर सिल्क है, कतान सिल्क है, 2 टोन है, इसमें ये पूरी गोल्ड वीव है, ये इसका फ्रंट है, ये इसका बैक है, और इसको आप मीटर से खरीद सकते हैं। ओके, सो दैट्स द बेसिक डिटेल ऑफ द थिंग। फिर आता है कि वो कि व्हाट्सएप पे कैसे आए, तो व्हाट्सएप पे हर हमारे लाइव के नीचे, हर पोस्ट के नीचे हमारा नंबर लिखा हुआ है, आप उसको देख सकते हैं। आप उसमें हेलो भेजें, एक फोटो भेजें। ओके, आपको अच्छा लगा, टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट एंड देन जस्ट सेंड इट ऑन आवर व्हाट्सएप नंबर। एंड आप पूछ सकते हैं इसका क्या डिटेल। अच्छा, कोई भी लैंग्वेज चलेगी, आप हिंदी में लिखें, पंजाबी में लिखें, इंग्लिश में लिखें, आई मीन दैट्स अ 3 लैंग्वेज वी नो, मराठी ऑल्सो वी नो। सो but you know, with Google Translator we can use any language. So what I'm saying is that you write in a language that you're comfortable with, and if you want to call, you have to tell us that you want to call. We don't usually pick up calls, you know, we don't really entertain calls, honestly, because we get a lot of calls. So you know, we don't do that. आपको कोई specific चीज़ है, आप जरूर पूछें हमें, and आप आए, एंड आप आके पूछे व्हाट्सएप पे, डिटेल्स जानिए, फोटो लीजिए, वीडियो लीजिए, 1 मिनट बात करना है वो भी करिए, फिर आप कैश ऑन डिलीवरी एक टोकन अमाउंट के साथ ले सकते हैं। व्हाट डज द टोकन मीन? इट मीन्स दैट अगर आपका ऑर्डर 10,000 रुपए का है तो आप 2,500 शुरू में हमें पे करेंगे बाय अ स्कैनर, पेटीएम, जीपे, व्हाटएवर, एंड देन जो बैलेंस है आप उसको जब आपको डिलीवरी आएगी तो आपको डिलीवरी पर्सन को बैलेंस अमाउंट देना है। इस तरीके से एनीबडी हु हैज प्रॉब्लम इन डूइंग बैंक ट्रांसफर्स एंड दिस, आप आराम से ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं। एंड ऑल ओवर इंडिया, इन साइड्स ऑफ पंजाब, of Maharashtra, of Delhi, of Haryana, wherever, Karnataka, whichever state you say, mostly we have COD everywhere, cash on delivery. COD मतलब cash on delivery, because you know, of course हम मानते हैं जब हम ये करते हैं कि you know बहुत clear है, but I understand when I've spoken to so many of you that so you know these things that we consider very basic information are still not clear. And it is so important to us कि आप हमसे बात करें, आप हमसे टच में रहें on WhatsApp. So it's very very important. Okay, now this what I'm showing you is a fantastic you know tissue fabric. Just look at it, it's so gorgeous. I mean, you know, you can be doing any of the dyeable dupatta. Yesterday in a very short video I've given you 3 options of dyeable dupatta, 20,800, 26,800, 28,800. ओके, वो 3 दुपट्टे थे, सारे डाइबल थे। आप किसी भी इन फैब्रिक्स में भी डाई करा सकते हैं। एंड टिश्यू इज जस्ट अमेजिंग टू वेयर एज अ सेम ऑन सेम, you know, as a cord. It looks amazing. Now with this fabric I'm going to show you this really brilliant, and I think with all the next fabrics because it's going to go with everything. Okay, now a 2-tone fabric that's amazing. अच्छा, दूसरी बात, हम सिर्फ एंड सिर्फ प्योर फैब्रिक्स करते हैं। हमारे फैब्रिक्स हैंड वोवन है एंड सारी जरी मेटालिक है। सो ये जो चीजें हैं ये बहुत जरूरी है जानना, क्योंकि आई नो मैनी ऑफ यू आर सो गुड विद टेक एंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑफ ऑल एज ग्रुप्स. वी वर्क, I think, you know, largely, you know, in a certain specific age group and everybody is so good. But of course at the same time अगर आपको struggle है, we are here for you to resolve all of that struggle and make sure that you kind of understand what we do, और आप easily order place कर सकते हैं. You know, it's very important to us that you are able to do that. Now look at that, ये बहुत सुंदर फैब्रिक है. ये फैब्रिक कैटेगरीज हैं जिसमें आप मोस्टली जितना भी मीटर आप चाहें कर सकते हैं. कई बार 1 मीटर एंड ऑल वी डोंट डू, दैट्स अनदर थिंग, बट अदरवाइज यू कैन ऑर्डर बाय द मीटर, 2.5, 3, 5, 6, whatever works. Now look at that, that's a beautiful combination. आप इसको एक कुर्ता पहनाएं and then you should yes, we do a lot of pricing in our videos as well, and I will one day give you all our introduction prices. मैं in fact आज ही आपको बताती हूँ, because that's a really good way. Lot of prices in one video becomes really transactional, which is never, can I get the pink again, which has never been the tone of our lives. Okay, if I keep saying the rates now, suppose if we have an event, we'll definitely keep telling you that, but on a regular life, you know, if you're worried कि हम यहाँ कुछ और बताएंगे और chat में कुछ और बताएंगे, you don't have to worry. You can even cross check from different numbers, because that's what we've been doing. That trust is everything. So we will never ever go on different prices on the chats in the lives. They'll always be the same, and you have your ways to figure that out. So I'm sure you will. Okay, so we don't want to keep it very transactional. The whole essence goes if I just keep giving you out, you know, and many things. Now this example, let's, iska kya hai price, for example, this is, I think, all of the fabrics. 60. All the fabrics I think I've shown you are 6,800 per meter. Okay, which means 17,000 for 2.5 meter. Okay, so yes, I understand. I completely get your point on how prices are exciting and necessary, and the details are necessary. We will try to make as much as we can of that. And usse bhi important hai that what is our price, where it starts. Now look at that. That's a wonderful combination. I think this is such a great summer fabric. And let's get this one. This is another two-tone. And yeah, you're seeing a lot of burnt orange. I was wearing one dupatta. Then you saw the tissue fabric. This is also absolutely brilliant. All of these colors. Look at that. It's amazing. Okay. Acha, agar I'm not related to this live, but I will tell you our silk fabrics, जो dyeable है plain, वो 2250 से शुरू होते हैं. चिनिया बूटा, मूंगा बूटा 3250 per meter, 3450 per meter. Okay, that's what. Silk fabrics with weaving to chinia bhuta bhi hai, but like jal weavings and all will start about 4,800 per meter onwards, 6,800, 7, 8, 9, 10 depending on the weaves per meter के दाम बता रही हूँ. सब pure है. The weaves are very different, the compositions are very different. Okay, but एक general, say you say I have a budget of 25,000, you know, and I know this that our season shoppers in 25,000 they are able to find like 3-4 things. Okay, so you have a budget, you get a tissue dupatta, you get a 2.5 meter kurta, you get a chinia set, you get a light dupatta. So there's so much that can be done. But अगर आप singular sets wise देखते हैं तो हमारे 10,000 upward शुरू होती है range, you know, for cotton suits. For silk suits, yes, I think it will be much more. But you know, if I do a math of 25,000, I can get a tissue dupatta, I can get a 2.5 meter silk fabric in chinia, and I still have about, you know, 10,000 rupees more left. I can probably get a cotton suit, or I can get like another kapda of you know, in premium cotton, and that's what we're going to jump into next is premium cottons niche wale. So for example, yeah, I want to do this, you know, this really lovely fabric, okay, 3,800 per meter, and uska match बैठता है because this is like 9,500 for 2.5 meter. So you can get this, you can get a silk kurta, you can in chinia silk bhuta, then you can get a tissue dupatta, and if you want to add like a bottom to it, that can also be done. So, and I always see कि जो हमारे you know shows में आते हैं, they come with a budget and they're able to find so many nice things in that limited budget, and it's amazing. Only because I think they know our product so well and they know कि मैं ये बिठाऊंगी, in that much I will get. Now look at that. These are brilliant fabrics with zari for your casual looks, and I think we will keep talking about these topics more and more in each live, and you know, you should feel free to put down your questions that you have. Okay, we have a website. It's not very you know, much in tune with the live that we do. It works with like just a general point where you get to see the pieces that are there. I don't know, maybe some of you find it much easier to buy, but for me, like, you know, what the shopping that I do, I have found that it's so much easier to just go on WhatsApp, take a link, and in instant you can check out, and that's the same experience that you find with us. I mean, gone are the days when you really want to kind of sit on a website, I mean, and order. For browsing, it's great, I agree, and for that we have a page, we have videos and tons of it for you to browse. For your prices, एक जो step है, which is always additional with us, is that you have to come to our WhatsApp number, send a screenshot. But I tell you, if you send me 50 screenshots, we'll give you 50 reply, and then the next day and the next day and the next day. That's our commitment. So you have to try it once to feel that ki where is the space that we are coming from. We do have our reasons why we do it like that, and you know, just try it once, and that's my request to you. Okay, so yes, lot of browsing, you come, you check, you come on WhatsApp number, एक ही number है, okay. And I think we've been, as our numbers have been increasing on our page, I think ये जो spammers हैं they're making our life like always very busy. We never leave them on our page, okay. We always block them in case you always see something. Never get in touch with them, okay. There are so many spammers. Neeb by Vibhuti Kabra and Vibhuti Kabra and all kind of variations with our DP. They come spamming you. Please, you know, don't get into that trap. I know sometimes it's tempting to say, "Arey, Neve ka wala suit I'm going to give you at whatever 1/10 of a price." It never is. Real life में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. So you know, these things are integral, and I really value that you have to be safe. What a beautiful fabric, by the way. I'm going to get this back. It's all resham, all really nice, and pink and brown, and like, you know, like light brown and yellow. Like, let's show them. So soft, so good for, you know, these pieces. Yes, absolutely, we must do short videos. If you'll see the frequency of short videos that we're doing them a lot. So yes, we are hearing all of those things to make everything of your experience really easy, and we'll keep working on it, and keep the comments coming. Really happy to always hear that. And look at that. And sometimes ये भी मैंने देखा है कि बहुत चीजें जो हमारे पास as a facility available है, that also sometimes it's not clear. You know, to many of us who have been with us for a very long time. Okay, so I think we need to just kind of keep communicating, keep talking to each other, and that's the medium, which is why we're here. It's such a fantastic way. Okay, 2 checks. I think we're done with the fabrics, and then we're going to go full on into suits. Okay, look at that, hand woven premium cotton, beautiful. Go for subtle ones or go for this. Now when you're doing this, what are you going to do? Do a same on same. It looks amazing, it looks great, really funky. Okay, or of course you can just like keep it simple and a plain bottom of any of those colors जो हम आपको डाई करके देंगे, जिसके कोई extra charges नहीं. Okay, so this is also, and that's what I'm saying, it's such an eye opener. You know, when you kind of travel, when we are on our chats, and we get hundreds of chats a day, okay, in like, you know, a lot of koi event based, we may get a 500,000 messages on our chats. Okay, that we are able to really kind of control. We really have our ways. We've done it for a long time. But when we go, we find these new questions. Dyeing is never extra in any of our fabrics. Okay, never. It's always included in all our plain fabrics. So I hope that part is absolutely clear to you. And you know, yes, and whatever the policies are, जो भी आपको लगे आप जरूर पूछिए. Okay, let's go back to the product, because at the end of the day, when I know that you're coming here, I'm also wanting to give you the absolute joy, the instant gratification of seeing something so beautiful that you can absolutely have in your hand. Okay, so if you're in the US, okay, for example, and today is what, Tuesday. So if you place an order for a piece that is ready to ship out, you will have it Saturday or Monday in your hand. Okay, that's how fast it is, and that's how beautiful, you know, the whole entire experience is once you're there on board with us. So yes, now that's a Munga silk suit with Meenakari. This is another Munga silk suit. Okay, जो Munga suit का एक joy है, I'll tell you the whole thing. You know, yesterday suddenly my mom was messaging me, see this kurta, it's Munga silk, it is looking so fabulous. My father was wearing one and it is so comfortable. I think you should really make more of Munga. And I said, what yaar, you know, I make so much of it, probably I don't say it enough, but it's true. Munga silk, with its beauty and its comfort and its style and weaving, you know, it's something else altogether. Like, you really have to wear Munga silk, and you know that to really know the joy of flow, of softness, of comfort, of beauty, of wearing. Like, typically if you see lots of weaving on this piece, okay, Meena bhi hai, and tassels will be added. If you want, we'll add the tassels. So it's typically a heavy matlab dressy suit, but when you wear it, it's like air, like you don't feel it. Okay, now something that's really hot, that's really amazing, we're going to go jump into linen sets. Okay, so now what is so special about our linen is that, of course, they're in Karwa, and these are the, you know, so this is the introduction of a new design that I had done. Okay, I'm showing it to you, and I'm going to show you, actually I think we have 4 pieces. Now the difference that I'll show you, I'll tell you one thing, what I've done. Okay, linen suits, or जो हमारे silk linen suits हैं करवा में, our clients have been wearing them for the last 5 years. Okay, they have probably tons of colors. One feedback, and it has taken me so much time to kind of be able to make it, because the economics has to work, is to get plain linen bottom. Okay, and so many of you said we love the suits, it would be so much better if our bottom is also linen. So what we've done, this was my first piece. In this there is a chanderi bottom. Okay, and that's why the first 2 pieces जो chanderi के हमारे थे, we will give it at a, you know, lesser price. than the ones, because इनके जो prices हैं वो 42,800 है, but for the 2-piece which has Chanderi bottom you can take it at a nice good whatever some difference, so you can ask the team what they're offering to you. But ये था linen dupatta, linen kurta, Chanderi bottom, which has always been the case. Now finally we've been able to absolutely crack it, and I'm going to show you what's the beauty of it. Okay, these are, and I've been working on this so long, convincing our team to make linen bottoms with it, and finally we have plain linen bottom made on the same loom. Okay guys, and it's like a victory of small swords. I feel so happy because you know, you can't imagine how much time I've been trying to get this plain bottom made with the same fabric for the bottom to be a part of a linen suits. Okay, finally we have had it. So now my whole vision, and that's why I haven't done a big launch of this design, because honestly I was figuring this out. Okay, now you have 2.5 of this, you have 3 meters of kurta, you have this beautiful dupatta, all linen look for the very first time, and this is like a amazing blue shade. Okay, and this is of course ये जो दो कलर है मेरे पास, and I'll show it to you. Let's show the 2 colors. ये मेरे पहले pieces आए थे, इसमें you know Chanderi bottom है, and than the full price you can take some discount on it because it doesn't have a linen bottom, which I'm going to be now showing. That you can ask the team, just look at the color, it's beautiful, but it's got Chanderi bottom. Okay, and the yellow and this, the other 2 colors, no, nothing, both of it just aaye. Okay, now the final color, and this one is a rock star because of the beautiful color that it is. There you go, ये है इसका kurta, ये है इसका bottom, and now you can see this, that's the bottom of it. Okay, so now I'm seeing, I don't know, वो मुझे वो उधर फिरोजी वाले में I didn't see the border there, so I'll check on that in case it doesn't have border. You know why you see this variation? Because it takes a lot of time for us to perfect our pieces. अगर उसमें नहीं है, उसको भी, उसमें भी नहीं है, उसमें भी आप, you can take a deal from those 3 colors. This is how my design will finally ultimately look like perfect. Okay, so this, so all those 3 you can give a special price. This one of course is a fresh, and because this is how it's supposed to be designed, with this broad border, this and all of that. Okay, and yes, you know, I'll be honest, after I've designed it, I haven't had the time to look back into it. Okay, so much creativity, yes, let's do that, so much creativity you know, coming up from everywhere, all places. You know, the inspirations are all around for me to be able to create, and also to be able to bring them to you here to sell them. Yes, it's quite a task. Okay, but I love what I do, and you inspire me guys, big time. It's all that you do, जिसकी वजह से I'm able to do all that I do. Okay, now this wonderful brocade fabric. Okay, now few days back we done a kurta video, right? There was a kurta video. We done a kurta video in which I had worn a blue kurta. Okay, Ada stripes, Ada lines, not stripes. Okay, made in Karwa. Okay, now that sold out that same day. All that we had, it sold out. But you know, I think many of you have loved that combination of light blue with pink, which is why we said that we're going to, you know, recreate it. We don't have any intention of remaking that fabric, but we said we're going to recreate it in this brocade, and you know, this. So now you can see the full look. Like, okay, can I do the maths? Can I do a maths? So this fabric is 7,800 into 2.5. Okay, and this dupatta that you see here is 20,800. And then you do a plain silk bottom with it, जो 2.5 मीटर है plain चिनिया silk में, 5625. 45,900. So you have an entire set for 45,920. It's the most beautiful Karwa weave tulip dupatta. Okay, this is a brocade silk, and this is your plain chinia. And there you go, you have everything that you've been looking for. One perfect, okay, this pastel look set in all. You say यार मुझे bottom क्या कलर का था इसमें, blue. You want a pink bottom, or you want the dupatta also to be blue? Surely it can be done, no easy. उसी tune पे let's do another pastel suit, which are like, okay, so that's an ensemble. अच्छा, ensemble हमारी ऐसी category जो हम आपके लिए fabric बनने के बाद create करते हैं. Okay, but ये जो हम बनाते हैं, ये हम loom पे 3 set बनाते हैं. So yeah, there's a lot of I think the world is divided into some who feel that I like suit sets. It's just like no hassle because इसमें border सब कुछ होता है. This is like 3-piece katan silk and such a brilliant piece for that with Meena. And many of you prefer this. I get it. And some of you say I like this joy of an ensemble. You can do so much because that blue kurta अगर आप चाहे कि आपको 6 मीटर लेना है तो आप 6 मीटर भी ले सकते हैं. Yeah, so we keep a lot of fabrics. We keep a lot of these pieces that you can kind of buy and get. Now this one, now you say Meena and the beauty and the softness of it. So you can see this one is a complete Meena suit and it's a very nice color which really works all season with plain silk, good to go. So really good. Okay, another one under 25,000. Now these suit sets. Okay, let's go for that. And I'm going to show you this one. Now this. So you like a jal design. एक मैंने बूटा design किया. Very soft pink color. Okay, and these are under 25,000 and they're very very nice as a 3-piece set. और इसका एक और color है जो बहुत अच्छा है. And this is what I'm going to show you. And yeah, we can do any of those. All of those are great. Okay, now look at that. This is a gray. So nice formal Banarsi cotton suits which you don't have to worry about being whether it's comfortable or not. And now one very striking, like just wonderful, and we've done like this is like, what is this to you? What is it? This is a teal. Okay. So we always do this game on asking what's a color to you. Okay, because honestly to me this is exactly how it sees and shows here in screen. एक जो क्वेश्चन आता है हमेशा टील्स में, सी ग्रीन्स में, एक्वा ब्लूज में, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ problem in even when we do it in natural light. So because it really is camera dependent, but yes, this is a perfect teal to us. It comes with a plain silk. Okay, what is this? Kadwa weave, georgette bottom. No, sorry, plain silk bottom, georgette kurta, georgette dupatta. It's a brilliant 3-piece suit set. Looks really good. Another option, okay, you don't want to get into the teal category, then we have this pastel pink kind of a category. Each one very very beautiful. All 3-piece sets, all ready to go. So they're like so quick, so wonderful. You're looking for like full sets, no brainers. These are your pieces. Okay, of course इसीलिए मैंने शुरू में fabrics भी आपको दिखाएं. Fabrics which can be done with any dyeable dupatta. Usually, okay, I'm going to say this, that in usually our you can just, okay, what's the price of the teal one? Can I have that? Anyways, the dyeable dupattas in cottons will start at 3,200 and in georgettes typically now they start at about so the teal one was 42,800. That's the teal one price, 42,800 with a plain silk bottom. Now this one is a beautiful Meenakari suit set that you get to see here, right here. Look at that. That's the kurta. That's the dupatta. It comes with a plain silk bottom again, and just brilliant. Okay. So yeah, and I'm going to now bring up these, and then we're going to wind up with the last 3 suits after this. 3. Any 3 that you feel like we can do that, and get your perfect combination. What a nice green, like such a, to me this is a pistachio green, but I always say, if you ask my team, they will say shade of green. Okay, that's our policy. We keep it really simple, really clear. It's a shade of green. Your pista, my pista may be totally different. Okay, mine may be dried, your may be fresh, and our pistas will look completely different. Well, I mean that's the case with blood red, tomato reds, all those that adjectives that we put to our colors. It's very very difficult because colors itne subjective hai, that's how the human body is made. Our eyes are so different, then the tech is so different. Ye phone hai to alag dikhta hai, wo phone hai to alag dikhta hai, all that. So for us, it's always, now this is a beautiful one. Now the earlier one was georgette, this one is linen. But of course, only our special suits which you have just seen launch today have linen bottoms. Okay, rest all linen suits will always have chandeli bottom. But that's a rock star and it's a beautiful one. and you know, you just, I love this, you know, summer party, summer lunch, if I'm going out, I'm gonna wear this. It's classy, it's lovely, you just can't go wrong with it. Yeah, let's do another linen, okay, because no better season than now to wear these absolutely amazing pieces. Okay, there you go, here it is. I just love these full sets. So if you're looking for sets, these are your pieces. Now these are all the 38,800 वाले sets. Okay, एक और में इसका color है, and then I'll show you last मूंगा, and then we are done. Okay, and this one is very beautiful. So you saw the teal one that was in Georgette. Now this one is in linen, and I think it looks pretty fantastic. Look at that, it looks pretty good. It comes with a plain chanderi bottom. Of course, all of these are with the chanderi bottom. Okay, now like full length suits, really elaborate, very nice. Okay, one very nice मूंगा सूट जो मेरे हाथ में है, जो मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ. Let's do these two, and then we're done. And we have shown you some fantastic options for you to kind of pick up, and let's go. And these come with plain मूंगा bottoms. If you want the tassels, we'll add it for you. Just look at that dupatta, it looks pretty nice. And there you go, that's your full look. Kurta bottom bhi hai, isme andar hai. We stitch all of them up when we're going for the shows, because otherwise they get lost. And this is the last one that we have, is this brilliant मूंगा one. Okay, it's got a pop of color. Oh wow, what a pop of color. So yes, thank you so much for joining in. It was fantastic. Cash on delivery पूरे इंडिया में है, with a very nominal token amount that you have to pay. The balance you can pay to your person who's delivering. और आपको सिर्फ एक फोटो लेनी है. ये जो दोनों वीडियोस हैं जो लाइव हैं, ये वीडियोस बन जाते हैं, हम पोस्ट करते हैं इनको तुरंत, और फिर आप उसमें देख के एक दूसरे फोन से या सेम फोन से अगर आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना आता है, आप लेके हमें भेज सकते हैं ऑन व्हाट्सएप. एंड देन ऑल दैट यू हैव टू डू, जब व्हाट्सएप पे आपने फोटो भेजी तो हम उसके बाद सब कर लेंगे. आपको प्राइस डिटेल, पीछे फोटो, एंड यू नो व्हाटएवर वीडियो सब हम देंगे, एंड देन वील टेल यू हाउ टू गो अबाउट इट. उसके आगे यू हैव टू जस्ट देन लीव अ मैसेज. अगर अच्छा हम फोन ना उठाएं, जस्ट लीव अस अ वॉइस मैसेज. वी डोंट पिक अप कॉल्स, वी गेट लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ कॉल्स. ओके, वी डोंट पिक अप कॉल्स, वी आर वेरी स्मॉल टीम. आप मैसेज करें, हम तुरंत आपके सामने हैं, एंड वी विल converse with you and talk to you. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you really soon again. There's no live tomorrow, so make the most of this one. Bye bye.